Okay, let me clarify something. These percentages you're seeing does not constitute your score. It's not part of your score here, at least not now. What you have to do is when you log in to check your actual score, you go to grades. Go up here to this arrow. You go to grades. You should see your grades line up. Actually, this person's TMA is one of the best I've had this semester. It has not been easy. It has not been easy. Look at that. She had 26 here. I even had one that I submitted 22. One math 101 for someone. I think that's the least I've submitted this semester. 22. Yes, it happens. Everyone in this person's department and level, look at that. This person is in 400 level, first semester. The person will also have similar score as this one. But if you are not at this level, you are likely not going to have exactly this. The guarantee I gave people, which you, for those in my group, you must have seen 25. Yes, even though one course also might fall below that, but I gave guarantee of 25. Some of you trying to blame me of not getting 30 over 30. Maybe you should try it yourself next time because I don't know what you think. Do you think it's too easy? Maybe you should do it yourself next time and see the outcome. And some of you must have rushed. When you rush to submit your TMA, well, you know the result will definitely be different. This one, I just submitted it today. And I'm making this video today. I have my reasons for making this today. You can see this again. The percentages here does not really, it just measures the activities you have performed here. So look at the scores. Let's go to the scores. Grades. This is one of the best actually. I submitted this semester. One of the best TMS I submitted this, although it's a very few number of courses. You can see that 30, 29, 29. So the person failing or whatever is in his or her shoulders. So it's just like the other one. So finally, here is the third portal, the one that contains the Math 101. Look at that, Math 101, it's 22. These ones are no longer available. EMT courses has been scrapped, so the person replaced them with ESMs. That's why they are somehow scattered somehow. You can see these ones not submitted at EMT, they don't have TMA in them, actually. So sometimes the scores are just uncontrollable. This mass was, let me say, 90% out of guessing work. The portal does not display math symbols. You just use past questions or some other ways to submit maths. It's very difficult. Maths, physics, and all that. They are difficult to submit. So this is it. It's not like all of them will be 30 in any way. Even though I say 25 guarantee, whatever, it's not always going to be that. One way or another, something like this will come in. And that's not when you start calling me a scammer, whatever. Then you do it yourself next time, please. Do it yourself. Stop the whole rubbish. All these kids, I don't know where they come from.